Welcome to Bard Tech Talk. I'm Maury Tiernan. Today's topic is Bard fan blades and outdoor motor replacement. Fan blades and motors are simple. What's new about them? It's not as much the parts themselves, but more about when a fan blade or motor is replaced. How do we ensure the position of the fan blade in the shroud provides optimum airflow across the coil? An incorrect fan blade position in the shroud and a dirty outdoor coil are reoccurring reasons for units going off on high head pressure. Sharpies have been used to mark the motor and fan blade position. Photos have been taken or items scribed with a sharp object. Those are all methods used, but if you're off by a quarter or half inch when reinstalling the fan blade or motor, your CFM across the outdoor coil may be reduced. Bard provides a specific measurement in the unit's installation manual for every Bard outdoor motor fan blade. One dimension does not fit all. Every unit is different. Here is a list of the most popular units. Every time you purchase a Bard OEM outdoor motor or fan blade, Gary Pacific can provide you with the important fan blade dimension based on the unit model and serial number. This should be offered, but just ask if not. There are many ways to remove the motor and fan blade. Hacksaw, sawzall, cutting torch, but I find it easier to completely slide the fan shroud assembly out the side of the unit and R&R the motor or fan blade on the bench or tailgate of the truck. Disconnect the motor wires. Having a flex shaft is helpful to remove about 10 screws. Slide the shroud out. This would be the time to clean your outdoor coil. Use a good cleaner like Viper Heavy Duty Evap Coil Cleaner. Foam the entire condensing coil from the back side of a blow-through coil, ensuring to penetrate the coil through to the front. Wait 15 minutes, flush from the front side of the coil, making sure to get the corners well. Use Evap Coil Cleaner on both the indoor and outdoor coils. Evap Coil Cleaner is free of hazardous chemicals, toxic odors, and won't burn your skin. Use some coil penetrating oil on the shaft and a fan blade puller of your preference if reusing the motor. Clean up your motor shaft with emery cloth or a file. The placement of the motor in the motor mount is not critical. However, rotate your motor wires down to avoid water running into the motor. Leave the motor label so you can read it once installed. Dress up your coil fins as needed with a good quality fin comb tool. We will use this fan shroud already removed from the unit. The relationship of the fan in the shroud is very important. Use the chart to obtain the dimensions you need. Find the closest part of the fan blade dimension to the fan side of the motor mount. That would be the tip, the middle, or the heel of the blade. This is where using a Bard OEM fan blade is very important. Not all blades on a fan blade are made the same, which may produce different CFMs depending on the dimension it's installed. Use blue Loctite and/or torque the set bolt to 13 foot-pounds. Once done, reinstall the fan shroud assembly and connect your wiring. If you replace the outdoor motor, replace the capacitor with the correct microfarad 440 volt cap for the outdoor motor. Always replace a 370 volt cap with a 440 volt of the same microfarads. With a clean coil, the shroud assembly installed, turn on the power. It's time to test your pressures versus temps. The electrical service door has a TMP chart. Run the unit for 5 to 10 minutes. Are your gauges reading the same as the chart? That's the basic on Bard's outdoor motor and fan blade replacement. Hope you found this helpful. See you next time we talk Bard Tech.